Now, you might think this is how you pull up to a Cars and Coffee, but you'd be dead wrong. Apparently you haven't heard of the greatest car of our lifetime, the Chevrolet Corvette. So yeah, this is how you properly do Cars and Coffee with your Corvette and your chair. Am I the only one sitting? I don't know, maybe nobody else got the memo. But I do know I need to do the Corvette stuff while I'm here because I'm gonna have a lot of eyes on this bad boy. Yep, let's get to it. One of the most important things as a Corvette owner is to constantly keep your car California dusted. And I'm not talking about those plastic handled crap. This is the real wooden handle, the real deal. And these cars attract dust like you wouldn't believe, maybe because they're such attractive cars. People notice that stuff because people scrutinize Corvettes. They really look for the details. You got a lot of people who know these cars and they want to see every nook and cranny. So you want to make sure you get in there, get in the cowling, get everywhere. There's nothing like the feel of this brush on paint. Some guys like mowing their lawn. I like dusting my Vette. Oh yeah. And yes, I did detail this before coming, but part of being a Corvette owner is showing people that you detail while at the show. Here's a little known secret though that a lot of guys don't do is this stuff, it's basically like a musk for your car. So you kind of just get a little on both hands. You kind of, trust me, that's gonna make you feel good all day. Yeah, they're coming over here next, probably. I mean, how can they not? You know? Fellas? All right, well, car is sufficiently clean. I can finally relax at Cars and Coffee. But I don't have my coffee, but I don't want to leave the car unattended. All right, well, let's just try to hurry. Okay, should be okay. All right. Excuse me, guys. I have an unattended Corvette. I need to get coffee in a hurry. Oh boy, is it still okay? All right. Excuse me, I have to hurry. I've got an unattended Corvette. All right, come on, come on. There could be fingerprints right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, don't spill. Is there anybody over there? Oh God, there's people looking and I'm not even there. Oh geez. What if they had questions? Okay, all right. Good. It's okay. I don't think too many people touched it while I was gone. All right, now we can do Cars and Coffee properly. I don't know if this is gonna be coffee safe. All right, so that was good, silly fun. Now Jake and I are actually gonna go check out what's actually at Cars and Coffee. I'm gonna separate myself from my prized C4, but let's see what's here.
I'm being held against my will, please send help.
We got Johnny's Ferrari 360, Car Trek 1 car, obviously. Probably best in show. The Civic, where before it was called the Civic, it was the Civic.
Endlessly charming.
It's so cool.
Blue gauge faces, I love it.
Oh, is this like an Alpina?
Alpina.
First of all, third gen Camaro convertibles are pretty rare, but this whole thing going on here, I have not seen. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, and he's got like the Corvette waterfall, but it's a Z28. This is kind of cool. Carb swapped, of course. You're on that 4-barrel. Oh, this is a nice 370 actually. Ah.
Yes.
Fiero with some Japanese-inspired windshield decal. Look at this. This is a cool Fiero.
Hey, it's
Oh, you know, that's the engine of choice right there, folks. Same heartbeat as the C4.
It's a 5-speed too.
LT1 swapped
I bet this
Fiero.
This looks like a party. Cleanest interior I've seen on a Fiero.
Wow. Okay, this thing's really, really cool. Oh, there, we're talking now. C5, buddy. Let's see. Are you an automatic? Oh. Yes, indeed. This is the way you do it, Jake. I don't know if you knew this. This is Corvette ownership right here. What is this? Ian Suriu? Yeah, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I couldn't figure that one out. I do love vanity plates though. See? Like this one. Cream ZR1. That must be what that stands for.
Sorry, that's red though.
We actually know this guy, but it is funny to see Mighty Mouse on a Miata. I see more of my brothers. Here's a C7. You can tell it's hard to see because there's so many people around it because it's just the most popular car at the show. Oh, look, it's other YouTuber, Brittany Automotive. I've never actually seen this car because it's usually pictures of it in the garage, but here it is.
Yeah, she just got it running like 2 days ago, and then lost cylinder 1, and then got it running again.
Another LT1. This is the most LT1s I've ever seen.
Not many people build an LT1, so I mean, it's kind of cool to see one actually worked over.
Hell yeah. A lot of vets at this one. I like it. A Scion with the heartbeat of Corvette. LS swapped BRZ.
Wow, they fixed it.
Of course, can't go to a Cars and Coffee without this.
Wow, a Renault.
It's at least a manual.
It is. Very rare. I actually see something I've never seen before. Even rarer that it's something I'm into.
This is pretty cool.
This is a style you don't see very often around here.
I like that.
Weird. Yeah.
See a sticker I like. Jegs. Older Corvette heartbeat right here, L98.
I still love the way the intake.
I know, the intake manifolds do look really cool. C5. Automatic, Jake? Yes, no?
I'm gonna go with yes. It's got chrome wheels and it's convertible.
Look at this, this Jeep's got a supercharger.
That is an M9.
Callaway C6. Very cool. Like the hood. Is it manual? Yes. Oh, well, see, these are Corvettes, but these aren't my people because the engine's in the wrong place here.
More Fieros. Yeah, we need to get this guy and Blue Fiero guy together, have them parked next to each other. That'd be great.
Yeah, see, the engine's supposed to be up here. It's all backwards. Now you may think that being around Corvettes and Maseratis and all sorts of awesome cars all of the time, that my veins must be absolutely overflowing with testosterone. But did you know that scientists are saying that since the 1980s, the average men's testosterone levels have been dropping at a rate of 1% per year? Think about it like this. How old was your dad when you were born? If he was 30 years old, for example, your testosterone levels could be up to 30% lower than his were. And that's where today's sponsor, Let's Get Checked, comes into play. Low testosterone can have all sorts of health effects on men's lives. It can cause you to lose muscle mass, it can affect your mood, your memory, even your sex drive. And those are things that not even the coolest of cars can bring back. But with Let's Get Checked, you can take the uncertainty of low T out of your life. Your sample kit will arrive in discreet packaging, and inside you'll find everything you need to collect your sample and get it sent off to Let's Get Checked's CLIA approved and CAP accredited laboratories. The results are reviewed by a clinician, and a member of the Let's Get Checked nursing team will even personally reach out to you to review your results. But it's not all about testosterone. No. Let's Get Checked also offers a wide variety of other at-home tests, including female hormone tests, thyroid tests, and sexual health tests. That's right, no more embarrassing doctor visits for that one. So if you want to get your hormone levels checked without having to leave your home, go to trylgc.com/Elliott Alvis and use code ALVIS25 to get 25% off of your order. All of that information will be in the link in the description below. The amount of support you guys show the folks at Let's Get Checked directly affects the amount of support they show me. So get yourself checked today and do us both a favor. All right, now let's get back to Cars and Coffee. Look at the size of the cowl on that thing. American flag calipers too.
You can stalk with freedom and authority.
Wow, he drove that here too. You can see the bugs. I don't know, I'm acting surprised like somebody was gonna trailer like an 84 Corvette. Oh my God, I love this thing, yeah. Look here, individual throttle bodies.
3D printed velocity stacks.
So cool. Well, first of all, forged lines. The exhaust comes out here. Look at the cage work. It's so cool. This thing is so awesome. Jake, check out this neon.
Yeah, you know, like in the original advertisements where it just kind of said hi, this one's like, hey.
Look at this, it's got a little tiny winch. Gambler car.
Ripper.
This thing's awesome. Also, an actually really cool C7 build that somebody looks like they actually race. It's got tow hooks, solo speed, which means he's probably an autocross guy. I know that because he's got an air tank in the back.
Here's the thing about leaving your tow hooks in all the time. That just means that you think you're gonna crash.
Well, maybe.
Have a little confidence.
I think it looks cool.
Truck. Oh, is that an FTX? My day is gonna be ruined.
Look at this though. Wowzer. I'm actually really glad this is separated from everything else so we can get a good look at this. My God, like 6-piston brakes on this little car. Carbon fiber hood. Right-hand drive. Wow. Oh, this is awesome. I really like this. Batty, duh. Another good vanity plate. I actually know what that one means. This gives you an idea of how wide these fender flares are. The recess of the gas filler. Wow, that's pretty sweet. Pretty nice Comet, like all stock. Oh, look at the shape of the vinyl roof is astounding. It's got AC. How low? Walking over to the kind of auxiliary spillover lot here, but Jake, what kind of engine do you think this 300 has?
Probably a V6.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not really a good way for me to tell.
Yeah.
Z4M. Oh, I miss mine. I never really fully got to enjoy it. I know I didn't have an M, but it's such a good looking car.
Yeah, this one probably steers okay.
Mine steered just fine.
Electric power steering system.
Whatever. A V70, non-R. But this one runs. And to answer any questions, I do have the turbo back. I need to put it in. It's gonna be a job. More Volvo content is coming. I'm convinced that anybody who has a Volvo from like 2002 to like 2011, it's just hanging on by a thread. Like there's just no way that that thing is in perfect operating condition. It's impossible. Look at this guy tucked in the corner. Wow. Good to see.
That's an ES.
Does that stand for extra special?
I don't remember what it means. It means something.
That wasn't even good. Extra sauce?
You tried.
Extra sauce? I don't know.
You tried, but you get a slow clap for that.
Especially special.
It's
Wow, look at this 34 Ford. Now this is a hot rod done right. This is called a high boy when you take the fenders off, and it just looks great. Wow. Okay. Does have a 350 in it, but I love like the IndyCar style numbering on the radiator.
I like that it has narrow tires on it.
Yes.
Like, it doesn't have some 6 foot wide monstrosities on the back. That's never used.
This thing looks great. It's a 36 Ford Roadster hot rod. Sorry for the wind noise, but look at this Corvair.
Hell yeah.
This is awesome.
Cages that are
they're just yellowed. Look, the expensive German sedan boys, an AMG GT53 with Montana plates, so he's skipping his taxes, and an Alpina B7. Now, one thing on this GT53, it's one of those like half AMGs, so you get all the AMG stuff, and then people get around the back and they're like, ah, 53.
That's not enough numbers.
Yeah, but you're still paying 6 figures for the car. Maybe I don't get it. Now, look at this pasta rocket right here. We know this guy. This is Jay. You've seen him on a video before from Lauer Auto. This is pretty impressive. This started life as an F1 single clutch automated manual, but he has converted it to an actual gated 6-speed manual himself. Look at that. You literally can't tell.
That's the way it should be.
I'm a single clutch enthusiast.
Objectively better.
This is good. Oh my gosh. Would you looky here?
Some guy.
It is John Ross. Hey.
I didn't know you still did YouTube, Corvette man.
I know, well, it's been a while. Closer look at the aerial atom. These things are so cool.
Very easy to steal too.
Well, I mean, yeah, we do have to look at this Aston, a DB11. Now, this is at a dealership that I can probably drive this, so if you guys want to see a video with the DB11, let me know in the comments.
I better get an invite.
Yeah, you'll get an invite, and you can have your opinions.
They said that they have it, but I'm asking like.
Whoa, well, I think I'm about cars and coffee'd out. This has been a lot of fun and gotten a lot of questions about the old C4 here. I think I've convinced a few new enthusiasts to join the Corvette world, and there's no better way to do it than with a good old C4. I'll just swirl this one headlight. Also, this symbol gets the hairs like trapped in there sometimes. It yanks them. It hurts the California duster, which I don't want to do. It's got feelings too. Excuse me, Jake. Hey, dude, this is literally what I don't want. You can't touch it. Stop.
You fit so many California dusters in this bad boy.